Hi, welcome everyone. Unika here from OS2 Designs, also the founder of Sew-It-Yourself. So I damaged my finger and I had to get some stitches, and I was in Chaguanas, so I am actually at Sew-Rite right now. So I just thought I'd do a brief video to just show you all what they have available if you're in the area or if it is that you need something. So we can start with their machines. They have specials on their machines, and for those of you that follow me and also subscribe to my sewing program, you'd know that I purchased one of my machines here. So they have specials like $19.95, $17.95, and all of these machines are domestic machine, tabletop machines. Okay, so you can buy according to what suits your needs. They also have specials on sergers, and you can make sure you ask for assistance. This is a Sew portable blind stitch hammer, and you can also get the machine covers. Also, we have threads here, and this area here has actually all your parts to your machines that you may require. I've always loved this. It's not for sale, but it's just nice, fancy, and an antique. And we move on now to the heavy duty machines. And this is a heavy duty serger for those of you that's interested. We have a special on at $12,995. And we move over to the button covering machine. I did have one of these some time back, but I sold it. So if it is that you need anything like that. Also, they have fantastic storage containers, and they are $3.95. So they have a colorful one, they have a black one also. So these are absolutely perfect for storing your sewing items, your crafting items. You have thread zips. Videos that I've done before, I spoke about having your sewing supplies organized, so when you're ready to sew, everything is neat, it's in order. So these are perfect. We have just the table here for $5.95. So if it is that you're in need of anything or you're in the area, you can always check them out. And we have a juke here, and we have another industrial machine here. So that's it for this quick video, guys. So have a good day. Bye. And this is my second stop for the day besides going to Sew-Rite. I'm now at Daisy's. The black and white robe that I did for OS2 Designs. This is the blue fabric to it. It's $30 a yard. So this is Daisy's exclusive in Chaguanas. Fantastic fabric here for whatever sewing projects that you may want to do. Prices are also not bad at all. And I'm getting background music at the same time. I do not own the rights to the music, but they are playing that in the store. And here we have some really nice, she explained to me that this is a different type of peach skin, and it's a Niagara peach. And then they also have a micro stretch that is $24.99. So these fabrics are basically cotton base. So I'm just giving you a quick little tour through the store. I could be at home crying over my finger, but you know, I just thought I'm out and I'm in Chaguanas, so I could do a quick video for you guys. Also, absolutely lovely fabric. When my finger healed, you know, I'd do a lot more sewing. And here she explained to me we have printed satin, that's $24.99. So these are the printed. They're just lovely. They're soft. You just get your proper needles to work with it. And we have the plain satin, that's $11.99. So basically they already paired the colors. You know, you can always switch up, you can always mix and match. You can use this with this. You can actually put this green here. You know, I love colors with this. It's just absolutely awesome. I'm seeing a pretty pink. So if you're in the area, you can come by Daisy's and check out their fabric. Really lovely fabric. And of course, I absolutely love these also. Oh, as I'm saying that, let's go upstairs. They have fantastic fabric upstairs also. We have these for $45. Let's take a walk upstairs. So upstairs is sheeting, it's drapery, items for your curtain, your drapes, your valance. I'm gonna get into these at some point, and I absolutely love these. I am going to be doing stuff with these. It is a type of organza, so it has that nice light, flowy, airy feel to it. These are an absolute for certain projects that you have. You know, I absolutely adore them. And you can line these also with cotton, with satin, with sheet lining. And the prices, as I said, they're not bad at all, and they've also paid off the way that we can use them. So I'm going to run a couple errands, guys, and go home and rest my finger. The nurse, the doctor, yes, there, I'm getting through, thanks. The doctor that stitched my finger up was super nice. After the 3 injections to numb my finger, I really did not feel a thing after I had no problems getting through. These are some sheeting, absolutely gorgeous. So this is where I end my video. So do enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for viewing.